Hey, what's going on, guys? Ronnie here with USA Digi. So today I'm reviewing the stealth method, and I'm gonna go, this is the members area here. We're gonna go through this a little bit later. First I want to tell you about the bonuses that I'm gonna be giving you guys to go with this course. So here's my bonus page. This is just a video that was previously on one of my other bonuses, but the video for this review will be here. So you scroll down, just click on any one of these buttons to pick up your copy of Stealth, and you'll get my bonuses. Will be inside the members area waiting for you in there, guys. Now make sure that the countdown timer is still active, because once this expires, I'm taking these bonuses down. So make sure that you do see an active timer here. So the page basically tells you a little bit about what stealth is. You can go ahead and read that if you want. I also have the sales video here so you can watch on the bonus page if you want to do that. Again, another button to click here to pick up your copy. Now, another thing to keep in mind, guys, I also have the upsells and price points here. This is early bird pricing, okay? So it's starting at $12.95 for the first 3 hours only. So try and get there as soon as you can, because it's going to kick in with the dime sale, which will, every time someone purchases, it'll go up a little bit more and more. So try and get that early. Get there early, guys. So I tried to get this review out to you as quick as possible. I have all the front end offer details here and all of the OTOs listed as well. And let's talk about my exclusive bonuses. So bonus one, you're going to get 100 per day with free traffic. So this is a training video course. It's going to show you how to do that. Bonus number two is how to write good headlines and subject lines that sell. You can use this when creating your campaigns inside of the stealth method if you want. So bonus number three is how to get 90% off of your ad spend for Bing and AdWords. So this is going to come in handy because you're going to be using AdWords in here in this course, in this method, and you're going to be using those ads to target people's Gmail's inboxes. So this is going to come in handy for you, right? You can get 90% off of that. Bonus number four is Bing Ads course. So this course is specifically dealing with AdWords, but you can also take this to the next level by using just regular campaigns, doing it almost the same, but not using Gmail, by using Bing here. So this will teach you how to set up a campaign in Bing. And then bonus number five is 60-minute profits. So this will teach you a high-speed money-making strategy that you can use, and this will help you out to escalate your profits as well. So again, guys, make sure the timer is active here. Go ahead and click the links. It's good for 5 days during the launch period, and that's about it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take you into the members area right quick. Actually, let's go ahead and go over the sales page first. So turn emails into passive income without a list, without autoresponder, without monthly fees. Okay, so inside of this course, you won't need a list, you won't need an autoresponder, and you won't have any monthly fees. You'll be setting up Google AdWords campaigns using graphic images that will show in people's Gmail's inboxes, right? So you don't need any of those things. Never seen before. I would think that this is a method that's never seen. I've never seen this method before, so I can vouch for that. Okay, just talks about not having to have a list here. Okay, you don't need to do email marketing, list building, or solo ads. That is true. Reach millions of people, yes. In the particular campaigns that he was setting up, it was like 100 million people that he was targeting, so that is correct as well. The bonuses here, let's see where they have bonuses right here. Okay, so still bonus number one, I'm going to give you some email swipes that you can use if you want to escalate your sales, building an actual list as well, which I would recommend doing that. So still bonus number two is 10K email manifesto case study. And number three is Jono's exclusive YouTube ads training course. So these are all great bonuses as well. So let's go ahead and take a look right quick at the members area. Okay, so you got a few modules in here. So the first module is the intro video. The second one is the required ammunition, which is basically going to tell you what you need to do this method. Finding a target to exterminate. So these are finding offers. He's going to show you how to do that. How to fly your stealth bomber. So he's going to show you how to create the campaigns in this video module. And the conversion booster. So he's going to show you how to set up bonus pages to use with this method to increase your results as well. And then of course, mission debrief. So that's about it for the members area, guys. Pretty straightforward. It's a really good method. I highly recommend this method. In fact, I'm going to give it a try myself, because if they're doing it, it's working. Right? So it's something that you definitely want to check out, guys. So again, my bonuses, guys, just click on any of these yellow buttons here. That'll pick up your copy. My bonuses will be inside the members area, guys, waiting for you. It's going to be a little blue button inside of Warrior Plus when you go to your purchase page tab. And that about wraps up this video. So thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie with USA Digi. And guys, happy marketing.